What's going on, guys? Investing Hustler here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 every day reselling iPhones on Kijiji or Craigslist. So this isn't clickbait. This is exactly how I was making money every day and how I was killing it during the holidays. So if you enjoy this video, please leave me a like and a subscribe because I will be uploading more every week. So anyone at any age can do this. All you really need to get started is one of these bad boys right here. An iPhone. And just so you know, there's actually an iPhone in this box. It's not an empty box. And all these boxes right here, iPhones. So pretty much to get started, you need to purchase one iPhone. That's it. Just one iPhone to get started. You can't just get any iPhone, you have to get the best deal on an iPhone. So let's say you look on Kijiji or Craigslist market, iPhones are selling for 500 bucks. That means you won't be buying an iPhone for 500 bucks. You have to go and search one for 400 bucks, 350 bucks, the best deal you can get. And once you get that one iPhone, you're already halfway there. The second step, you sell that iPhone for more than what you paid for. So if you paid $400 for your iPhone, you should try to get at least 500, 450, try to make at least 50 to 100 bucks. Very simple. You just made money. What next? You do it again and again and again till you get sick and tired of hearing the word iPhone. And once you get sick and tired of hearing the word iPhone, you buy more iPhones until you reach the point where you can build a wall of iPhones. Am I making myself clear? Another thing I want to talk about is getting connections, because eventually you will get sick and tired of going online every day and lowballing people and hoping to get the best deal, because eventually you will find people who get these phones on the regular and they're trying to get rid of them quick. So over the 1 year that I've been doing this, I have developed 5 connections where I'm constantly having people message me, constantly having people call me saying, hey, I have this for sale, hey, I have X amount of iPhones for this price. So I pretty much developed some wholesale connections, some retail connections. So now I don't even have to go online and search for the best deal because I have the best deals calling me. They know that I'm a serious buyer, they know that I have cash, and they know that they're gonna make money. And when you're dealing with Kijiji or Craigslist, make sure you're safe. There's a lot of sketchy people out there. I have a few crazy stories. I've actually had a gun pointed at me. One guy was trying to rob an iPhone 7 from me a year ago. Long story short, he got caught. Maybe in my next video I'll talk about that. But be safe. If you have a friend, go with a friend. Make sure to always meet at public locations. I would recommend not really giving your address out because there are sketchy people out there. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about reselling, and I hope some of you guys will actually go out there and make lots of money, because I know I have. And I love it. Every day I wake up when I want to. I'm my own boss. I make my own money. I don't have no one breathing down my neck telling me what to do. I do what I want and I make money every day doing it. So that's the best thing about being self-employed. That's the best thing about being an entrepreneur. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video because I'll be showing a lot of secrets on how to get great deals no one else can get for crazy profits. You can sell anything from Nintendo Switches, colognes, PS4s. So please subscribe for the next one and leave a like, and you can ask me anything on the comment section. Bye bye.